Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Canva document. To begin, simply log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and free. Once logged in, you'll see many options. You can choose from a vast library of templates or start fresh with a blank canvas. Consider what you're creating, whether it's an A4 document, a presentation, or a social media post, and select the appropriate document type to get started. Now that you have your canvas, it's time to customize. You can easily add text boxes and choose from hundreds of fonts to match your style. Want to add visuals? Upload your own images or explore Canva's extensive photo library, which contains millions of high-quality options. Don't forget to incorporate various elements like shapes, lines, and icons to make your document truly unique and visually appealing. As your document takes shape, organization becomes key. Grouping elements together helps you move and align them with precision. Utilize the layering feature to manage overlapping objects, ensuring everything is exactly where you want it. Canva also makes collaboration simple. You can share your document with team members, allowing them to view or edit in real time, making feedback and revisions a breeze. Once your Canva document is perfect, it's time to download and share it with the world. Canva offers several download options, including PDF for print-ready files, JPG for images, and PNG for transparent backgrounds. Select the format that best suits your needs, whether it's for printing, emailing, or posting online. Always ensure you choose a high-resolution option for the best possible quality output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.